Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial in FME where we'll look at how we can manage attributes. So I have read in some data which consists of polygon features where the attribute table looks like this. We have an ID column, apartments, name, people, that, and a queue count. So there has something wrong has happened here, and this is why we will use the attribute manager to handle this. For example, the ID column, both are 0, the name of this attribute has trailed off, and we have a queue count attribute. So a counter has been applied to the features to get a unique identifier for the features. So we will delete this column, the ID column. We will give a new name for this, people that, and the queue count will also change the name of this attribute. So in order to do all of this, we just need one transformer, and that's called the attribute manager. We double click it, we connect our data to the attribute manager. We press the cogwheel to do our handling. So here we have our input attribute, what the output will be, and we have some values and types to assign to them. But we will be using the actions here. So for the ID, we want to remove it. So it's just to do an action that says remove. For the queue count, we want to rename. And when we put the new name, we put it here in the output attribute. So I will just call this ID. And for the people that, I will just call this also a rename. Just call it number of people. So it's just that simple. You just put the action you want to put on it, and you just press OK. And when you run your data, the transformer will do what you said it should do. And now we see we don't have the ID column with the 0, 0. We rename the counter, change the number of people, and our data is now cleaned up. So now we can just use this further in our processing and eventually write it out to any format you desire. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel because I'll be making more of these short tutorials. So I'll see you in the next one and have a good day.